Urban Gardening Thailand, welcome back. It's been another 3 weeks or so, and our lipstick tree seedlings are doing quite well and have developed woody stems. It's time for them to be transplanted into larger pots. We're in the field near our house, and we're going to put some rocks in the bottom of our pots, and then we're going to be filling them with some local soil. Now we're getting some local soil, and we're going to be filling up the pots with this local Thai soil. I'm not going to be using any special soil because eventually they're going to be going in the ground anyway. Looking good. I chose 3 of the biggest and strongest seedlings to transplant. Here they are in their new, larger pots, and they're looking good. I'm going to try and grow them in containers for as long as possible. So please subscribe to see more lipstick tree videos as I plan to make regular updates. Happy gardening and see you next time!